All right, I'm gonna brew up this new coffee from Burundi, the Yandaro that we have, and talk a little bit about brewing parameters and what it's tasting like. So I've got, for equipment today, Velocraft, Kalita Wave. This is a regular stamped one. We've got 22 grams of coffee that I'm gonna use with 410 grams of water. Pearl O Gen 2 grinder. We're going to grind on a 2.33, that 1/3 mark. And Stag Kettle. This is the new Pro, and I really like these for how slowly they can pour and how the stream is nice and vertical. So first I'm going to get this ground. Everything's kind of already warmed up, and then we'll go into the actual brew. All right, I have this ground into one of these funnels. I really like these for getting the coffee down into the filter nice and low without getting coffee on the sides. You can totally use the cup that it comes with and shake it in there nice and gently. I just like this. So there's that. And this is gonna fall in a bit of a pile, so make sure you distribute these so that the grounds are nice and level across the bottom. Again, 22 gram dose. And I'm gonna start in with the bloom. Bloom is gonna be 3 times the weight of the dose. So I'm gonna go to 65 here. And I'm gonna start by going straight down the middle for about 1 weight of the dose. So when the scale reads 22. Then I'll go around in a couple circles till about 44. And then come back to the middle and finish up to that 65 mark. So here we go here. All right, 3 times the weight of the dose here. That's quite a lot of water to ensure that we're getting good saturation here. I'm gonna let this bloom for 2 minutes. When I get to the 2-minute mark, I'll go into the first pour, and all these next 3 pours are 115 grams, and they're going to be going first to 180, and then to 295, and then to 410. And each of these 3 pours is spaced out 30 seconds, so starting at 2 minutes, then at 2:30, then at 3. All right, this brew is wrapping up here, just waiting for the brew to move below the surface of the bed. And it's already dripping down here, so this is 620. Again, fairly slow drawdown. Move this over here. Make sure to stir your brew laterally, not just around. This is brewing stratified. It's in layers. Each part of the extraction is layered. So if you just decant it, you're getting the last part of your extraction first. This mostly matters because I'm just taking a small sample. I'm going to let this cool. This coffee's so good. So a lot of orange grapefruit up front. It moves into like a cherry cola. There's also this like more tartaric acidity as well. There's like, it's like green grape, maybe like a golden raisin, but it's bright like a green grape. We've got a lot of this coffee. We're super excited about it. Drank a lot of it last week with a bunch of people, and I'm excited to brew it on a bunch of different methods and talk about all the different things we can get out of it. Super exciting. Hope you enjoy it. Drink with friends and family, or on your own.